Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to enable message requests on Discord, especially after the latest updates. This feature is great for connecting with members of your servers, so let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. If you're logged in, you'll land right on the home screen, where you'll see the servers you're a part of. Next, head to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the U icon. This is where you can manage your personal account settings and preferences. Now look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a tap to access the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to reveal a list of privacy options that help you manage who can contact you. Here's where you can enable the Message Requests feature. Under the Message Requests section, you'll see the option for Enable Messages Request from Server Members. Simply toggle that switch on, and that's it. You've successfully enabled message requests from members in your servers. Now, you'll be able to receive requests from other users, making it easier to connect and communicate within your Discord communities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Discord. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.